I wonder what unicorns eat. Maybe pollen from magic flowers or rainbow juice. Everything is way simpler. Watch our new video on how to cook amazing dishes for the magic creatures from regular products. Knocking on the door? Who's there? Oh, it's a box. I wonder what's there inside. It's heavy. Miss Gonzalez opens the box and sees she's never expected that. It's a cute unicorn looking at her from the box. It's amazing! But what shall I do with it? Miss Gonzalez is a cooking guru, but she doesn't know anything about the magic animals. The unicorn must be hungry, and this is Miss Gonzalez's department. Let's start with healthy oatmeal. But the unicorn doesn't seem to like it. The animal has turned unhappy and weak. I suggest different products to choose from. Maybe dates? No. A cookie? No again. Oh, I know, a boiled egg. But the unicorn is so sad, as if life has given it lemons. What if I give it a lemon? It doesn't want it. I've got an idea. My animal needs to see a doctor. Miss Gonzalez is in line to a vet. Other animals pale in comparison with my unicorn. This vet fairy specializes in curing all magic creatures. They say it was her who invented antipyretics for phoenixes and dragons. Now she's got a private practice. I show her my distressed pet. It doesn't eat anything at all. It refuses everything. What's happening? Is it ill? But the vet calms Miss Gonzalez down. It's a unicorn, and they don't eat boring food. They need a special diet. The more cute and colorful yummies they have, the better. We will need marshmallow, condensed milk, confectionery decoration, and wooden skewers. Stick a marshmallow onto a skewer. Take a decoration with tweezers. Dip it into the condensed milk and attach it to the top. Make 2 small ears shaped like drops from sugar paste. Add a horn. Attach them using the condensed milk. Draw unicorn's eyes with a food marker. The unicorn swallows the marshmallow immediately. You bet! This is exactly what the magic animal needs. The vet fairy writes down the rainbow diet thoroughly. If you follow the prescription, the unicorn will never refuse your food again. Challenge accepted! The master chef studies all the recommendations carefully and starts cooking. If the pet eats only rainbow food, it's time to cook rainbow spaghetti. Miss Gonzalez conjures something near the stove. She uses her magic and bright thoughts. Add blue, pink, and yellow food colorings into different pots with water and cook spaghetti in colored water. The lunch is ready! I put the rainbow pasta into a plate and offer it to my unicorn. It's so delicious! The unicorn's playing with a good knife and fork. At last! This is the food appropriate for the creature. It looks so happy, wagging its tail cheerfully. Inspired by the success, Miss Gonzalez starts cooking dessert. The unicorn is going out of its way to see what she's cooking, but the master chef doesn't allow it peeping. Let it be a surprise. Finally, the tender cake pops are ready. Smash cookies into fine crumbs. Add some condensed milk. Mix it. Be sure not to pour too much of the condensed milk. The mass shouldn't be liquid. Make balls. Dip sticks into melted chocolate and attach the balls. Melt confectionery chocolate of different colors. Dip a ball, letting the chocolate cover it all over, and decorate it with sprinkles before the chocolate hardens. Miss Gonzalez puts the cake pops onto a shelf and waits. I can smell the rainbow! It's exactly what you need for a unicorn dessert. The cake pops are so bright and delicious, and the colorful sprinkles stay on my lips. Miss Gonzalez is thrilled to bits with the rainbow recipes. She's found out a secret ingredient of cuteness, so she keeps adding it in all of her dishes. For example, into a fried egg. Separate a white from the yolk. Add food coloring to the white. Mix it carefully. Be sure to maintain the white's thick structure. Heat some butter on a frying pan. Pour the colored white into it and put the yolk on top. Take off the colorful fried egg when it's ready. Where is my unicorn? Oh, here it is! It runs into the kitchen when it smells the food. The unicorn loves the fried egg. It would gladly have a bite of the colorful white. Being a unicorn is pure fun. You may keep playing, jumping, and rolling around all day long. Enjoy flowers, glitter, and doing nothing. And moreover, I can smell yummies even if I'm in another room. It smells like meringue. Cool down egg whites and beat them up. Add powdered sugar. You will need 5 to 7 ounces of sugar per 1 egg white. Put in the sugar gradually while beating up the white. Add food coloring. Prepare the whipped whites of different colors. Put the colorful white into a pastry bag. Squeeze it into snails of different sizes on a piece of baking paper. Put it into an oven and bake for 1 hour at 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Stick wooden skewers into the ready meringue and tie bows. Miss Gonzalez entices the unicorn with the meringue stick. She wants to tease the funny animal a bit, but the unicorn turns out smarter. It sneaks from the back and snatches the yummy straight out of her hands. Eat! It's all for you! The unicorn goes for a walk to show its rainbow nature to the whole world. Miss Gonzalez gives it her signature sandwich for lunch. Add red, blue, yellow, and green food colorings into different cups of water. Put a piece of cheese into each cup. The coloring needs 2 to 3 minutes to soak in. Take the cheese out and put it onto toast to make a rainbow. The unicorn opens up his lunch before it goes out. What is it? A rainbow sandwich? Yummy! With colorful cheese? The rainbow wants to get into my mouth. Exactly what I like. Miss Gonzalez pampers the unicorn with sweets again, and she brings special chocolate for it. It is made by using a special recipe, which is kept in secret at the fairy chocolate factories. Melt white confectionery chocolate. Add liquid food coloring. Stir, avoiding blending of the color. Put different sprinkles into a chocolate mold. Sprinkle with edible glitter and cover with the melted colored chocolate. Smooth it out. Let the chocolate harden. My favorite magic chocolate. It is so beautiful. Miss Gonzalez also looks at it. Help yourself. I don't mind sharing. There will be enough rainbow chocolate for everyone. All unicorns adore surprise gifts. This is why Miss Gonzalez prepared a sweet gift for her curious animal. She's made a candy path to a big M&M. Melt white confectionery chocolate. Add some liquid food coloring. When the colored chocolate thickens a bit but still keeps liquid, spread it over the egg mold. Cool it down. Sprinkle a tabletop with some powdered sugar or starch and roll out white sugar paste. Cut out 2 M letters. Remove the chocolate from the egg molds and fill them with dark melted chocolate or Nutella. Dip a knife into hot water and run it along the edges of the egg half. Join the halves so that they attach. Cool down again. Dampen the letters with water and attach them to both sides of the egg. Well, well, well! I wonder what we're having here. Colorful candies? I love it! And the candies lead me to a big surprise gift. It is the king among all of the M&Ms. I'm biting a little piece. The unicorn's lips start shining with rainbow colors each time they eat something sweet and tasty. Chewing and playing all day long is so tiresome. The unicorn is wore out. Let it have some rest, and Miss Gonzalez will come up with a new menu for it tomorrow. Did you like our unicorn snack recipes? Then write in your comments what you would like to cook for your fairy tale pet. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new magical ideas on the Troom Troom channel.